first habit on our list is 1 in, 2 out rule. It's simple but powerful. For every new item you bring into your home, you commit to removing 2. This isn't just decluttering. It's decluttering on steroids. It's like putting your minimalist journey into hyperdrive. What I love about this rule is how quickly you start seeing results. It's not just about preventing more stuff from piling up. It's actively reducing what you already have. And let me tell you, it's incredibly satisfying. You start to really think twice before buying something new, knowing you'll have to part with 2 other items. It's made me a much more intentional shopper. Give it a try and watch how it transforms your space and your mindset about what you really need. Habit 2. Take breaks from social media. We all love staying connected, but sometimes it feels like our phones are glued to our hands, doesn't it? That's why I'm a huge advocate for social media breaks. I'm talking about a full-on digital detox. It might sound scary, but trust me, it's like hitting the refresh button for your brain. When I first tried this, I was amazed at how much mental clarity I gained. Suddenly, I wasn't constantly comparing my life to carefully curated Instagram feeds or getting stressed about the latest Twitter drama. Instead, I found myself being more present in my daily life and rediscovering hobbies I'd neglected. Habit 3. Keep flat surfaces clear. You know those kitchen countertops and coffee tables that seem to magically attract every little thing. They're the ultimate clutter magnets. But here's the deal. A clear space isn't just pleasing to the eye, it's a total stress buster. Imagine walking into your kitchen and seeing pristine countertops instead of a jumble of mail, gadgets, and random knickknacks. It's like a breath of fresh air, right? This habit has seriously upped my productivity game, especially in high-traffic areas like the kitchen. It's amazing how much easier it is to whip up a meal or get work done when you're not constantly shuffling things around. Habit 4. Embrace digital minimalism. In our tech-driven world, digital clutter can be just as overwhelming as physical clutter. That's why embracing digital minimalism has been such a revelation for me. It's all about decluttering your digital life, organizing files, deleting unused apps, and unsubscribing from content that doesn't add value. The impact of digital minimalism goes beyond just having a tidy desktop. It's about reducing the constant noise and distractions that bombard us daily. When I cleared out my digital space, I found I could focus better on tasks, be more productive, and even sleep better. Habit 5. Declutter as a lifestyle. It's like maintaining a healthy diet. It's not about doing one big cleanse and then going back to old habits. Instead, it's about making small, consistent choices every day that add up to big changes over time. When you adopt decluttering as a lifestyle, you're constantly reassessing what you own and what adds value to your life. It becomes second nature to regularly go through your belongings and let go of things that no longer serve you. This ongoing process prevents clutter from sneaking back in and keeps your space feeling fresh and intentional. Make it a habit to do quick declutter sessions regularly, maybe while you're watching TV or listening to a podcast. Habit 6. Limit decorative items. Simplifying your home decor isn't just about achieving that minimalist aesthetic. It's about creating a calm, peaceful environment that's easy to maintain. When I started cutting back on decorative items, I noticed something amazing. Not only did my space feel more open and less cluttered, but my stress levels actually went down. There were fewer things to dust, fewer items to arrange and rearrange. It allowed me to really appreciate the few meaningful pieces I chose to keep. Plus, it made cleaning a breeze. Give it a try. You might be surprised at how much more you enjoy your space with less in it. Habit 7. Practice mindful consumption. This is all about being intentional with what you bring into your life. Before making a purchase, I always ask myself, does this genuinely add value to my life? It's a simple question, but it's incredibly powerful. This habit has been a game changer in preventing impulse buys and keeping me aligned with my minimalist goals. It's not about never buying anything new. It's about making sure that what you do buy truly enhances your life. I found that this approach not only keeps unnecessary clutter at bay, but also helps me save money and reduce waste. Start small. Maybe next time you're tempted to buy something, take a moment to really consider if it aligns with your values and needs. Habit 8. Prioritize functionality in your home. This is all about ensuring that everything in your space serves a purpose. It's not just about having less stuff. It's about making sure the stuff you do have is genuinely useful and adds value to your daily life. When I started applying this principle, I was amazed at how much more efficient and enjoyable my living space became. Suddenly, I wasn't tripping over decorative items that served no real purpose or struggling to find things buried in drawers full of miscellaneous junk. Everything had its place and its purpose. This approach doesn't mean your home has to be cold or utilitarian. It's about finding that sweet spot where form meets function. And let me tell you, when your space is truly functional, it frees up so much mental energy. You spend less time managing your stuff and more time focusing on what really matters in life. Habit 9. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails. We all know the feeling of opening our inbox and being bombarded with promotional emails, newsletters we never read, and updates from services we don't even use anymore. It's digital clutter at its finest, and it's time to put an end to it. Clearing out your inbox by unsubscribing from these lists does wonders for reducing mental clutter. It's like decluttering your digital life, one email at a time. But here's the real kicker. It also helps minimize temptations for impulse purchases. How many times have you bought something just because you saw a limited time offer in your inbox? By cutting off this stream of constant marketing, you're not only saving your mental energy, but also protecting your wallet. Start small, maybe unsubscribe from 5 emails a day. Before you know it, you'll have a cleaner inbox and a clearer mind. Habit 10. Functional, lightweight furniture. This might sound simple, but trust me, it can transform the way you live in your space. I'm talking about furniture that's easy to move, serves multiple purposes, and doesn't weigh you down. When I switched to lighter, more versatile pieces, I was amazed at how much more adaptable my home became. Cleaning became a breeze because I could easily move things around. Plus, it made rearranging my space a fun and frequent activity, which kept things fresh and exciting. But it's not just about practicality. This approach also encourages you to really think about what you need in your space. Do you really need that bulky entertainment center, or could a simple wall-mounted shelf do the trick? By choosing furniture that's both functional and light, you're creating a home that's flexible, easy to maintain, and always ready for whatever life throws your way. Habit 11. Simplify your color palette. This might sound like a small change, but trust me, it can transform the entire feel of your home. By sticking to a cohesive color scheme, you can create a sense of calm and unity throughout your space. When I first tried this, I was amazed at how much more peaceful my home felt. Gone was the visual chaos of mismatched colors and patterns. Instead, everything felt intentional and harmonious. But here's the real kicker. It actually reduced my urge to constantly redecorate. When everything flows together, you're less likely to feel that itch to change things up all the time. This not only saves you money, but also helps you appreciate what you already have. Habit 12. Clear designated spaces. This might sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful. The idea is to assign specific homes for things you use regularly. Keys, wallet, important documents, you name it. When I started implementing this habit, I was amazed at how much time and stress it saved me. No more frantic searches for my keys in the morning or wondering where I'd put that important bill. Everything had its place, and I always knew where to find it. This habit goes beyond just organization. It's about creating systems that make your life easier. It cuts down on time spent searching for things and prevents clutter from spreading throughout your home. Start small, maybe designate a spot for your keys near the door or create a file system for important papers. Habit 13. Schedule time for rest and reflection. In our busy lives, it's easy to get caught up in the constant doing. But taking time to pause and reset is crucial for maintaining a minimalist lifestyle and mindset. When I started intentionally setting aside time for rest and reflection, it was like hitting a refresh button for my mind and soul. This quiet time allows you to check in with yourself, reassess your priorities, and ensure that your life aligns with your minimalist goals. It's not about being productive, it's about giving yourself space to just be. This habit has helped me stay mindful of my choices, from what I bring into my home to how I spend my time. Try setting aside even just 15 minutes a day for quiet reflection or relaxation. You might meditate, journal, or simply sit in silence. Whatever you choose, make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Trust me, this small habit can lead to big clarity in your minimalist journey. And there you have it, friends. 13 tiny minimalist habits that have truly changed my life. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and hit that subscribe button for more budget-friendly, minimalist living tips.